Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce a neck hump. Let's start by understanding what a neck hump is. It's essentially a noticeable curve or bulge at the base of your neck, often caused by prolonged poor posture, like constantly looking down at your phone or computer. This can lead to a forward head posture, where your head juts out in front of your shoulders. Over time, this puts extra strain on your neck and upper back muscles, contributing to that visible hump. But don't worry, there are effective ways to address it. Improving your posture is fundamental to reducing a neck hump. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head upwards, gently lengthening your spine. When sitting, ensure your feet are flat on the floor and your lower back is supported. Your computer monitor should be at eye level, preventing you from craning your neck forward. Remember to take short breaks every 30 to 60 minutes to stand, stretch, and reset your posture. Consistent awareness makes a big difference. Specific exercises can significantly help in reducing a neck hump. Chin tucks are incredibly effective. Simply pull your chin straight back, creating a double chin, and hold for 5 to 10 seconds, repeating 10 times. Wall angels help open up your chest and improve upper back strength. Also, try squeezing your shoulder blades together for 5 seconds, repeating 10 to 15 times. These exercises, done consistently, will strengthen the muscles that support proper neck and upper back alignment. Beyond exercises, integrating healthy habits into your daily routine is crucial. Staying well hydrated supports overall tissue health, including the discs in your spine. Regular physical activity, like a brisk 30-minute walk most days of the week, strengthens your core and back muscles. When sleeping, use a pillow that supports the natural curve of your neck, avoiding excessive flexion or extension. Be mindful of your screen time, especially on phones, to prevent prolonged forward head posture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.